What's up, guys? It's Hardcore Crypto here. In this video, we'll be talking about Bitcoin. First things foremost, in my previous video, I made it known to us that the US and the Chinese government will be having a meeting regarding the trade conversation. But I think the meeting was adjourned till today, which is Sunday from my time and day. But for I would say we should not keep our expectations high, because if we get overexcited or too excited with these meetings, it we might just end up getting disappointed. And one of the funny thing is that I don't think US and China, left to me, I don't think US and China will be resolving whatever trade deal they want to have right now. I don't think so. It doesn't seem visible to me, honestly speaking. I feel it's kind of too early, because like I always say, the chart always precedes the news. So looking at the chart right now, I would say there might have to be a pause for the market to kind of cool off a bit before any trade deal and all what's not. Or maybe they must have concluded behind the scene that, okay, this is what we should be expecting, we should give the people this news probably 3 weeks from now or something like that, because government could be really manipulative. They could just want to do some inside trading. That's crazy. The governments are, so you don't trust them. So I would say, as for the results, what should we be getting? I'm leaning more on the bearish part, because honestly speaking, that's what I feel. Imagine them releasing the news and it happens to be bullish, and we are pumping as high as $112,000 for Bitcoin. Yes, it's good, but I would say I don't think anyone would want that. Anyone from the government would want that. So yeah, that is just that. Now, coming back into where we currently are, if we start analyzing the chart, we could see right here that in the previous charts, this is the main resistance we managed to break above. Yes, this is the main resistance we managed to break above, and is the $102,000 resistance. So Bitcoin has broken above the resistance, but we haven't tested that resistance as support. We haven't tested it. We have not gotten this move, a move that we assure us that, okay, this is where we're gonna be using as support before running to our next price target, which is $106,000. Now the question is, are we going to hit $106,000 today? That I don't know. As of this point, I honestly don't know, because the market is kind of moving on vibes. Market is moving on vibes, left to me. I don't think the market is moving logically right now. Just like I said, it's the news that is pushing Bitcoin. So just keep your eyes on the news, but I wouldn't advise you to trade this range, because it is not certain yet. Yes, it is not certain. This is not the range you have to call accumulation zone. No, it is not yet. It has not gotten to that phase where you have to call it the accumulation phase, because accumulation phase is whereby if it breaks out of the resistance and it touches sorry, let me explain that to us again. Now, accumulation phase is like this: it breaks out, it uses the resistance as support, then it rallies high, it touches the resistance, it then comes all the way down to support, breaking out of this support. After retesting, it confirms, then it pumps to the resistance level once more. Then you can now start calling it an accumulation zone, because we've gotten touches here and here, and we've also gotten touches here and here. So now you can now call it an accumulation zone. But in as much as it is even still an accumulation zone, or I'm not calling whatever is happening here an accumulation zone for now. So if this is an accumulation zone, you have to wait for movement, which will take days, because based on looking at this, it might probably take days, weeks if possible, or a week before you can start trading the accumulation zone or the rectangular zone. But left to me, I would say this right here is not ripe to be called an accumulation zone, because it only broke out of here from the daily. It has not even come down to the support to kind of retest. So we need that retest to show us that we're not getting a breakout right here. We're not getting a breakout at this particular level. So I would say what is best is you just wait for a proper breakout. You either wait for a breakout, which is either going to be bullish, or wait for this breakout, which is going to be bearish. Either of the two is what we are going to be waiting for. I wouldn't advise you to trade the chops right here, because this is you just trading the chop. This is you gambling, and I wouldn't advise you to gamble, but it's your money. You can decide to put some money wherever you want to. Now looking at the other charts, sorry about that, looking at the other charts on Bitcoin, we could see right here that going to the 1 hour time frame, in my video yesterday I made it known to us that we are either getting two moves from this bull flag pattern. It's either we get a breakout, we get the breakout, get a retest around this level, and we rally much higher as I predicted here, and we definitely got the move. Now the question right now is, are we actually going to go as high as $109,000 or $110,000? Are we definitely going that high? I don't know if we are going to go that high. I honestly don't know, but for all I'll keep on saying is just keep your eyes on the news, keep your eyes on the news, keep your eyes on whatever is going on. So yeah, that's just basically all I have to say. But for now, with the look of things, it seems like we are if we come to the 30 minutes time frame, I hate doing this by going to the 30 minutes time frame, but looking at the 30 minutes time frame, we are getting higher highs, but it seems like now we are getting lower lows and lower highs, as we can see right here. So this might look bad. This might look bad if we keep on getting moves like this. I would say it is bad. It is bad. It means the market is losing volume and momentum. So I would say be careful out there. Wait for a proper breakout, and by a proper breakout, I'm trying to let you know that you have to wait for a proper breakout around this range right here. Around this range right here. So when there is a breakout below 102,000, you wait for a retest, and once we get this retest, then with confirmation, then we'll know where we're heading towards next. So yeah, that's just all I have to say. Thank you guys for watching. If you do enjoy this video, subscribe, turn on post notification, smash that like button, and share this video with your friends. If you're a trader, you're looking for platforms to trade, links are down below. Use the links below, sign up and start trading on buybitsgate.iwan. Have a wonderful weekend, guys. Peace out.